What is the role of the Committee for Publicity? Option A. Organize. Option B. Finance. Option C. Advertise. Option D. Selection. Your time starts now. The answer is option C. Advertise. Dash is not the form of league type tournament. Option A. Cyclic. Option B. Double league. Option C. Round robin. Option D. Single league. Your time starts now. The answer is option C. Round robin. In which year start the volleyball game? Option A. 1995. Option B. 1895. Option C. 1896. Option D. 1891. Your time starts now. The answer is option B. 1895. When did India win the first ODI Cricket World Cup? Option A. 1983. Option B. 1987. Option C. 2011. Option D. 2007. Your time starts now. The answer is option A. 1983. When is Sports Day celebrated? Option A. The 30th of August. Option B. The 29th of August. Option C. The 28th of August. Option D. The 27th of August. Your time starts now. The answer is option B. The 29th of August. How many players are there in a team of volleyball? Option A. 7. Option B. 6. Option C. 8. Option D. 9. Your time starts now. The answer is option B. 6. Which of the following is a micronutrient? Option A. Calcium. Option B. Potassium. Option C. Magnesium. Option D. All of these. Your time starts now. The answer is option D. All of these. which is not symptom of food intolerance? Option A, fatigue. Option B, diarrhea. Option C, nausea. Option D, night blindness. Your time starts now. The answer is option D, night blindness. Best way to reduce weight is option A, dieting. Option B, restricted diet. Option C, special shake. Option D, none of these. Your time starts now. The answer is option D, none of these. Sports diets before competition has high source of option A, protein. Option B, fats. Option C, simple carbohydrates. Option D, none of these. Your time starts now.